1881 is a timeless and sophisticated fragrance that blends fresh woody and aromatic notes to create a refined scent. The fragrance opens with a bright and invigorating mix of lavender, carnation, galbanum, bergamot and juniper, complemented by the earthy and slightly spicy notes of cypress and alimi along with a hint of fruity freshness. The heart reveals a harmonious blend of vetiver, ylang ylang, rose cassia, lily of the valley and jasmine, adding depth and elegance with their floral and slightly green nuances. The base is rich and grounding with warm and earthy musk, oakmoss, cedar, sandalwood, patchouli and pine tree spiced up with a touch of pepper. This combination creates a scent that is both fresh and woody, with a subtle spiciness making 1881 a classic choice for those seeking a sophisticated and versatile fragrance. Performance elements of 1881. Longevity. The fragrance typically lasts between 8 to 12 hours, making it suitable for all-day wear. Its woody and musky base notes provide a persistent scent that lingers on the fabric. Sillage. 1881 has a noticeable but not overpowering sillage. It creates a pleasant aura around the wearer, making it perfect for those who appreciate a scent that is present but not overwhelming. Projection. The fragrance has a balanced projection that is noticeable within an arm's length. It's perfect for personal and professional settings where a refined and subtle presence is desired. Season. The fresh, woody and slightly spicy profile of 1881 makes it particularly well suited for the mild temperatures of spring and fall, although it can also work well in summer. Occasion. 1881 is a versatile fragrance that can be worn both during the day and at night. Its sophisticated and timeless character makes it suitable for formal occasion, business meetings and casual outings alike. Style. Masculine. While 1881 is a men's fragrance, its balanced blend of notes can appeal to anyone who appreciates woody aromatic scents. Type. Woody aromatic. This fragrance is classified as a woody aromatic scent, with a blend of fresh floral and woody notes that create a refined and elegant profile. Mood. Sophisticated and timeless. The scent evokes a sense of elegance, confidence and classic style, making it ideal for someone who wants to leave a lasting impression with a timeless and refined fragrance. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.